Jai Hind दोस्तों, today we will study about the exponents and the powers. This is the part 2 of the video. In the part 1, we have already studied about the exponents and its various the features, that is what is exponent, how it is written, how it is expressed, and so in this video, part 2 of NCERT class 7, we will study about the laws of exponents. Right? There are a number of laws, like number one, that is multiplying powers with the same basis. In the earlier video, we have studied about what is a base in the exponential number. Like when we write 2 to the power 5, then here 2 is the base and 5 is exponent. So in the first law, we will multiply the numbers with the same basis, right? Second is dividing powers with the same basis. When we'll divide it. Third is taking power of a powers, like 2 to the power 5, and again it is powered by 3. We will take this powers with the same exponents, like two numbers which have same exponents, like 3 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2. These exponents are same. Dividing powers with the same exponent, like 3 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2. And third is when we will study about a number which exponent is 0. Exponent is 0. Then, like the number is 5 to the power 0. Here the exponent is 0. So we will study all about it in the coming chapter. Now, taking example of multiplying powers with the same base. Let us take an example. First one is, let us calculate 2 squared into 2 cubed. First of all, I taught you that when there is a power of 2, that is called squared, and when power is 3, exponent is 3, that is called cubed. Squared and cubed. So we'll calculate like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? So here we can write it like 2 to the power 3 plus 2, or we can say in other words, when the bases are same, when the bases of numbers are same, the bases of any numbers are same, the exponents of those numbers are added. Like, we take this example again. Here 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3. Then when the base is same, base is 2, write 2 as a base, and in bracket 2 plus 3. Here the solution is 2 to the power 5. Here when the base was same, the exponents were added, and the answer is 2 to the power 5. Now we will understand with one more example, like -3 to the power 4 into -3 to the power 3. when it is calculated, it is written like -3 into -3 into -3 into -3 into, again bracket, -3 into -3 into -3, 3 times. Then the base is same in both the numbers. Here base is -3, base is -3. ठीक है, and the exponents are 4 and 3. Now these are -3 into -3 into -3 into -3. This bracket is removed. Now this bracket is removed. Into -3, this bracket is also removed. Into -3 into -3. So while counting this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it can be written as -3 to the power 7. That means -3 to the power 4 plus 3. That is -3 to the power 4 plus 3. Right? So we came to know that when the bases are same, bases of a number are same, and it is they are multiplied, the exponents are added. When the bases of numbers are same and they are multiplied, the exponents are added. That means, therefore, we can write -3 to the power 4 into -3 to the power 3 is equal to -3, base remains same, exponents 4 plus 3 is equal to -3 to the power 7, right? So here base remains the same but exponents added. We can take another example also, like now we have used the fixed numbers. Now when we can use alphabet also, taking an example, A3 into A4, we can write it like A into A into A, as the power was 3, into A into A into A into A, 4 times. Here the bases are same. Base is A for both the numbers. Now it can be written like this and this. So when the base is same, we can do A 3 plus 4. So A to the power 7. That means we came to know that when the base is same, the exponents are added. Next, we can also take the negative integer as a base. When we take negative integer as a base, like -3, question, -3 to the power 2 into -3 to the power 4. Then the calculation will be -3 into -3, right? Bracket into bracket, -3 into -3 into -3 into -3. So we can write taking base as a common, as the base is minus 3. So base will be minus 3, and we can write minus 3 to the power 2 plus 4, that is minus 3 to the power 6. So in this way we can understand the multiplication of the powers with the same basis. Now friends, we will study the dividing powers with the same basis. Dividing powers with the same basis. That means when the basis will be same in two or more numbers, what will happen to the power? Let us take an example and understand. That is 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4 is equal to, then we can write it like 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 3 into 3. We 7 times. Now divide it by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means we divide 3 to the power 7 and 3 to the power 4. Then what will happen if we cancel all 3, 3, 3 to 3, 3 to 3, 3 to 3? What remains is 3 to the power 3. That means in other way we can also write 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4, where the base is same. Base is 3. Base is 3. So the common base will be 3 and the exponent will be 7 minus 4, that is 3 to the power 3. So we can directly write 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4 is equal to 3 to the power 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 to the power 3. That is the answer. So we came to know with this example that when the bases are same, when the bases are same and the numbers are divided, the exponents are subtracted. So we can also take another example, that we can understand with the other examples, with the help of other examples also, like 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 2. Here we can write it like 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 4 times 5, 5. 5 multiplied 6 times divided by 5 into 5. 5 multiplied 2 times. Now 5 cancels with 5, 5 cancels with 5. What remains is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5 to the power 4. So we can also write it like when the base is 5. Now 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 2 is equal to 5 to the power 6 minus 2, that is 5 to the power 4. So this example also shows when the base is common, यानी कि base is same, the exponents are subtracted. Likewise, when we take another examples like a to the power 6 divided by a to the power 3 is equal to a into a into a into a into a into a. a multiplied 6 times divided by a into a into a multiplied 3 times. A cancels with a cancels with a. What remains is a to the power 3. We can also write it like when the base is a, yeah, that means common a, base is a, right? It can be written like a to the power 6 divided by a to the power 3. So a to the power 6 minus 3, that comes a cubed or a to the power 3. It can also be studied as read as a cubed, a cubed. So in this way, we came to know when the bases are similar or same, their exponents are subtracted. Now we'll take some other topic like taking power of a power. We will understand this topic with some examples. The first is we can write 2 to the power 3 to the power 3. That means 2 cubed itself multiplied by itself 3 times. 2 cubed multiplied by itself 3 times. That means 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. That means here the base is 2. Base is 2q. Base is 2q. So 2q now we'll understand the other topic, that is taking power of a power. We'll understand this topic with the help of some examples. Now that is 2 cubed to the power 2. Here the base is 2 cubed, right? Here the base is 2 cubed. That means we can write it 2 cubed into 2 is equal to 2 cubed into 2 cubed. Now here onwards the base changed. Here onwards the base is 2. So now we can write it like 2 to the power 3 plus 3. That means 2 to the power 6. So we can also write it like 2 to the power 3 into 2. So with this example, we came to know that when we take power of a power, those exponents are multiplied. Those exponents are multiplied. That means if the base is 2, if the base is 2 and 2 is cubed and again it is squared, and the base is 2, that means 2 to the power 3 into 2. We can take another example also to understand this. Next, 3 to the power 2 to the power 4. So we can write it like here 3 square itself multiplied by itself 4 times. 3 square into 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. So we can write it like here the base is 3 square, right? Now all the bases are same here. So here the base became 3 and although the base is same, so the exponents are added. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now it can be written like 3 to the power 8. So it can also be written like 3 to the power 2 into 4. With this example, we have understood that when a when the power is powered, both the exponents are multiplied. A square to the power cube. That means we can write it like a square into a square into a square. Here the base become a. Now we can write two exponents are added, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So a to the power 6. It can also be written a to the power 2 into 3. Here, therefore, it can be written like a, a square cube is equal to a to the power 2 into 3 is equal to a to the power 6. So, exponents are multiplied. When the base is same and it is powered again, the exponents are multiplied. When power is powered again, the exponents with same bases are multiplied. So likewise, we can solve the other questions. We will study about multiplying powers with the same exponent. We'll understand this topic with the help of some examples. Like, first one is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Here, exponents are same. Exponents are 3 and bases are different. Here, bases are different. So, we can write it like 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we can multiply it individually like 2 into 3, 2 into 3, this one with this one, and 2 into 3. So we can write it like 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 3, 6 into 6 into 6. So we can write it 6 to the power 3. Here the exponent remains same. Here the exponent is 3, but the base changed. Base changed and multiplied. So we came to know that when we multiply powers with the same exponent, that means we multiply two numbers having the same base but different, same exponent but different bases. The bases are multiplied but the exponent remains same. We can take another example to understand this topic. That is 4 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Here we can write it like 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Here like this. Now 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. So we can make pair of this and multiply it individually. Like 4 is multiplied with this 3. Here we will write 4 into 3. Now we'll multiply this 4 with this 3. 4 into 3. Now again this 4 with this 3. 4 into 3. And last is this 4 with this 4. 3, sorry. 4 into 3. We make, now 4 is multiplied by 3. We can write it 12 into 12 into 12 into 12. Now 12 multiplied itself 4 times, that means we can write it 12 to the power 4. Here the exponent is again 4, but the base is 12, that is 3 into 4. So with this example, we came to know that when the bases are different, but the exponents are same, the base are multiplied. That means a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. Now we will understand the dividing of powers with the same exponent. That is, we will understand this topic by taking some examples. Like, first example is 2 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. Here the exponents are same. Exponents is 4. Okay? And bases are different. So same exponent, different bases, and division of these numbers. So we can write it like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? So we can write it like 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So here we can write it like 2 by 3 to the power 4. Here base became 2 by 3 and exponent remained same. Exponent is same, 4 remains same, but base divided. Base is divided. So we can write it like 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 4. Now we can also understand this with another example, like a to the power 3 divided by b to the power 3. Here exponent for both the number is 3. Bases are different but are a and b, right? So here we can write it like a cubed by b cubed is equal to a into a into a by b into b into b. We can make it pair like this, like this, like this. It can be written as a by b into a by b into a by b. Now taking a by b as a base, a by b as a base, a divided by b as a base, exponent will be a by b to the power 3. Now we came to know with this example that when the exponents are same and bases are different and numbers are divided, it can be written as a by b, or the bases are divided and exponent remains same. Exponent is 3, base is equal to a by b. Now we will study the numbers with exponent is 0. We can take an example and understand this topic. Like, the first is 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5. Then with earlier examples, we also know when the exponents are same and the two numbers are divided, what happens is we can also write it like 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 multiplied by itself 5 times. Again 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. It is also multiplied 5 times. What happens? 3 cancels with 3. 3 again cancels, 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 cancels. And what remains is 1 divided by 1, that is 1. So 3 to the power 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 here. Now we can take it other way. By using the law of exponent, by using law of exponent, we can write it like 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5 is equal to 3 to the power 5 minus 5. Here 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So here 3 to the power 0, where exponent is 0 but base is 3. That means whatever is the base, if the exponent is 0, the number will be 1. Like 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 9 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. When the exponent is 0, the number becomes 1. 13 to the power 0 is equal to 1. With these examples, we came to know when exponent is 0, the number becomes 1. So with these examples, we have understood this. We can take other things also to understand it easily. Okay, when we take like 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64, 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, and now comes 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. We can also write it like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is divided 5 times. Here it is divided 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2, 2 times. 2, 2, and now nothing. That means 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So anything having its exponent as 0, that is 1. Here we came to know that a to the power 0 is equal to 1, b to the power 0 is equal to 1, x to the power 0 is equal to 1. This way we come to know that any number having exponent 0, that is 1, and secondly any number with exponent 1, like 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3, 4 to the power 1 is equal to 4, 15 to the power 1 is equal to 15, 19 to the power 1 is equal to 19. With these examples, we came to know with any number as exponent 1, any number with exponent 1, that remains the same number. That remains the same number, where the base remains the same. Base remains the same. 4, 4, 15, 15, 15, 19, 19. So now here came the end of the chapter. Now we will come with the solution in the next video. Earlier we have also studied about the basic concepts of the exponents and power chapter. If there is any problem you face while making solution of the chapter, please come to know in the message section. Our next video will be on the next topic of the class 7 NCERT मैथमेटिक्स, और इसके साथ साथ हम लोग हिंदी में भी अपना पूरा कोर्स लॉन्च करेंगे, और NCERT के सारे मैथ्स और भी सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने के लिए चैनल को फॉलो करें। धन्यवाद।